Hi guys, so I'm gonna give you an apartment tour. I'm so close to the camera because the camera I'm using is really not a vlogging camera. It's like my regular filming camera. I never actually purchased a vlogging camera because I really wasn't into vlogs. So if I'm out of breath and I'm leaning over because my camera is so heavy, but definitely on this trip, after this trip, I'm going to invest in a small compatible vlogging camera because it took me my back, because I literally carry this camera on my back. So anyway, I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour. Just letting you know right now, it's nothing luxurious, it's nothing. I'm in a small town, but I am blessed and thankful because I will get into the details of why. To be honest, I prefer taking a travel assignment in a small town rather than a big city. So when you walk in, this is the bathroom. I just bought literally one flat iron. I didn't think I needed to like go crazy. Flat iron, got my face wash, toothbrush. Bathroom came with washcloths, towels, and then we have more washcloths and towels over here. That's my shower cap. This is the shower. I already put my stuff in, so yeah, this is how the shower looks. Just like that. Simple shower, gets the job done. Look at my pretty toes. But yeah, so it came with towels, which I was happy about. Towels over there. This is me. Yes, mirror. I can open this, put all my stuff in there. Lighting. I only bought one flat iron. And then drawers. You know, I have my personal stuff in there. Makeup and stuff in there. I bought some wigs with me, literally just 3. I didn't want to OD. So this is the closet area right here. I'm still in the bathroom, you guys, but I like that it has, you know, you can close it for privacy and it opens up. But this is the large closet area right here. It goes all the way over there. Just gonna open it. This is all the stuff that I bought. Clothing. I only bought like 3 pairs of sneakers. It opens up all over here. My suitcase. And yeah, that's pretty much all I bought. But this is the hallway area right here. As you can see, that's the front door. This is a little closet right here. And I have more washcloths, more towels. I have a pack of cups. They gave me little soaps right there on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. Then you come into the apartment area and lamp. This is a recliner chair, and I'm going to show you guys how I look inside of it. But it looks really, really comfortable. Let me show you guys. So I can take this right here. And that comes out like that, and that comes up, which is nice after a long day of work. And I do that, and then that goes back in. This is the bed. Not the most fashionable sheets, but it is what it is. It keeps me warm at night. That's my little bed. This is the curtain. Goes all the way over there, and you can open it up. And it has shades beneath the curtain to like open it up for some sunlight. Have my TV, which is not working yet, but they're gonna fix it tomorrow. This is my little desk area, my laptop. That's the microwave. This lamp right here. I bought my ring light. Well, not the ring light I have at home. I actually bought one from Amazon, and it folds. So it's amazing because it folds, you know, it folded in my suitcase. But it's just something for me to continue making content while I'm out here for you guys. My tripod, I brought Alexa with me. This is my kitchen area.
Sorry, I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Okay.
It looks like an issue with the router and Echo device.
Alexa off.
Try restarting them. Unplug both of them. Then plug
Okay,
the
she's
router
gonna keep
back
talking.
in. Wait 30 seconds.
Okay, Alexa. I gotta be careful when I say her name, she comes on. Stove area, that's my sink. Coffee, I got a toaster. It did not come with plates and forks and spoons, and I didn't know that, so I would have to later on this week just grab a few plates, forks, and spoons to cook. Oven, you know, I can put all my stuff in there. I can put all my food and stuff in there. I only went to Walmart really fast, and I just got like a few things, just like some snacks and stuff like that. But probably tomorrow I'll get more stuff as the days go by. My fridge, a little bit of stuff in there. Literally have nothing in my, just like a McDonald's soda. But yeah, you guys, this is my mini apartment while the time that I'm here. And I love it. It's really cozy, it's really cute, small, and I can get my work done and come here after a long day of making lots of money. But I love it over here. It's really nice. You guys can see me clearly and hear me. I don't want to be too loud because I actually live amongst the residents. So the facility I'm staying in, out of obviously safety, I'm not going to say what facility I'm at, and I'm not going to say what agency I'm with. So my contract, I'm staying in the facility in one of the residents' apartments, because in this facility the residents have their own apartments, so you know, the ones that's more independent. So I'm literally just staying among one of those apartments. So you know, and it's late, it's like 10, so I don't want to be super loud. This is going to be a journey that I'm excited about. I'm only on this contract for 13 weeks. But I will be filming regularly, lots of things, as much as I can, still creating content, so you guys just stay tuned for that. Especially if you're a new CNA and you're interested in traveling, I'll be going through all the ins and the outs. The state that I'm in Wisconsin. I think I'm saying it right, Wisconsin? I always say Wisconsin. It's on my sweater. Yeah. I know I had to be extra corny and wear a Wisconsin sweater coming to Wisconsin because I am extra corny. But that's where I am. That's where my travel assignment is. I'm actually in a small town in Wisconsin, so it's not a lot to do out here, but I like that, and because I can focus on my goals, which is making as much money as I can and going back home with an amount in mind and a goal in mind. I don't mind going to like major cities, but I feel like it becomes a distraction. I mean, it's kind of fun to like work and party at the same time, but for me personally, I'd rather go to the smaller towns to make as much money as I can and then go home and like party and travel and go on vacation. But I'd rather not go to like a huge city because I feel like I'm gonna be tempted to like go to the club, go go here, and then you know everything is super expensive. I went, like, the only shopping place here is Walmart. That's the only place that you can buy groceries, just literally Walmart. And it was super inexpensive when I went and I bought like a few groceries. I'm gonna get more later on in the week, but I just wanted a little bit for today. Like, it's so small out here, but like I said, I really love it. I love the peace and quiet, and I know that ultimately I know my goal, and it's just tunnel vision from starting today. I look crazy because the flight wasn't even that long from New York. It was literally 2 hours, but it was an hour ride to the town that I'm in Wisconsin. So yeah, it was an hour ride. So it wasn't a really long travel. I got here fairly quickly. I literally just ate and I slept. I took a nap. And I woke up and I was like, oh, I want to film for my subscribers. Like, I want to film. So I woke up and did that. And then I'm going to bed because I actually start tomorrow. One thing about travel CNA contracts, it's very fast. So that's why you have to have experience to be a travel CNA, because soon as you get here, the next day I work. Like, I don't have time to like, oh, I can relax. No, I work tomorrow in the morning. I work a 12-hour shift tomorrow. And then I believe later on in the week, I do maybe like 2 doubles and like 1 single. But I believe I have like 1 day off this week. So yeah, it's very, very fast paced. That's what it is when it comes to travel assignments. So yeah, I work in the morning. But I'm used to it. I was day shift for like a good, 2 years. I've worked evening shift. I don't have a ton of experience. I haven't been a CNA for like 7-8 years, but I know how it is to work day shift. I know how it is to work evening shift, so it shouldn't be a problem. And then another thing is, I'm from New York, so the facilities that I work in New York are huge, like 400 plus beds, and like sometimes I think the most patients I've had were probably like maybe 15. Luckily, the facility I'm at, it's only about like 80 something beds, very small, like 2 CNAs to 1 floor, 1 nurse to 1 floor. So I feel like I can give more time to the residents and I'm not overworking myself. So I feel like this is a great like first contract, and I say that because it's not really my first, it's my second, but I didn't really finish my first. So shout out to my recruiter. But I think this is a really good like first contract. The fact that I don't even have to leave, I literally just go upstairs to go to work, and I live downstairs, so I love that. So I know I can save a ton of money because I'm not paying rent, and I'm not using gas, and I'm not taking Ubers, and as far as getting my food, they actually deliver it to me, or I can go in a van and go get it, but it's like I'm not spending money on gas, rent, and all that stuff. So my main focus is like just racking as much as I can, and that's the goal. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna be all for this video, because you guys know I can talk your ear off, and I am tired. I have to work in the morning. But I hope you enjoyed this mini apartment tour, and I hope this is, if you're interested in traveling, this is a little insight of like what it's like. Yes, I'm nervous, but excited, and more so just ready to work, honestly. That's pretty much, I love the freedom of being a contract CNA. I can just, not really do what I want, but I'm my own boss in a way. I'm independent. So, yeah, so if you guys have any questions, leave it below. Again, I'm talking low because I'm amongst other, residents, and I don't want to be shouting at nighttime. I'm going to be filming a lot more content while I'm here. Subscribe if you're not, and you'll get all the, put on the bell, and you'll get all the notifications of when I'm uploading a travel CNA content. But yeah, that's all. Yes. I bought my little ring light from Amazon, and it's working, boo. It's really working. Like, my face looks really good. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.